Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp with Woocommerce. So first go to www.mailchimp.com, and on the top right corner you can click there and click on View Dashboard. And on Content and on Integration tab, just click there, and when you scroll you can see Connect Your Store and click on Woocommerce and then click on Connect. Now click on Free Download. Now you have to fill in your personal information over here. Before that, you have to log in Woocommerce with WordPress as well. So enter it. I'll just go and log in with Google. Alright, let's authorize. That's it. Now you have to fill in this information and you'll be able to use Mailchimp with Woocommerce as well. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.